good evening. We are here at XCon 2023. Let's start this conversation with the sir only.
Hi everyone, this is Vikas Mittal, I'm the director of Formworks Pvt Limited.
And coming back to the company Nova Formworks, sir, is there any new product launch here from Nova Formworks?
Yeah, we've actually launched a deck system, but we couldn't display it here because of the space constraint. But we've launched a slab deck system this time, and which is easy to demold and very easy to erect as well. And it's mainly used for flat slabs and commercial slabs mainly. So that we've introduced.
What are the new opportunity or challenges do you see for construction industry?
Now I see that comparatively construction industry is actually transforming in a big way. If we talk about 5 years back or 10 years back, the kind of approach what most of the contractors or builders had compared to today, now people are actually going in for system formwork, and even for they're investing in machineries, and they want to speed up the work. They're also looking for quality. But if you talk about 5 years back, people were not really bothered about much of 5 or 10 years back. They were not really bothered about quality as such. The only main constraint of theirs or main outlook was कि सस्ता होना चाहिए. It should be cheap. So that I think is changing now, and now people are actually looking for quality form so that they can build quality structures. And one more thing is that a lot of new companies have started coming in, like a lot of startups who've got into construction, who want to deliver the project on time, who want to use better quality formwork, better systems where they can reduce labor, because labor is going to become the next big challenge in construction, what I feel. Because after COVID, comparatively, the number of people who were coming in from the cities, from the villages as such, that quantity has gone down, because now development is happening in their own villages and cities, so they prefer to work there rather than come to cities and work here. So that's going to grow even bigger in the coming times. So definitely the contractors and the other construction companies have to go in for system formwork where they can reduce the number of labors and use more machineries and technologies, and go with the technology so that they can these constraints can be lowered.
Sir, how Nova Formworks as a brand is different from others?
First of all, we are different anyways, because we are the only ones in India manufacturing in plastic. So this is a patented product by us, and we introduced this product into the market in 2011. But if you actually see the entire story behind it, it all started in 2006-7 itself, and it took shape in 2011. What used to happen was when myself and my dad, we used to travel from home to factory. The construction boom in Delhi actually started in 2004, 2005. That was the time when actually the construction boom started. And we used to see a lot of projects coming up on the way to the factory. And we were, seeing the quality of construction. We used to discuss, why are they using ply, or why are they using wooden material which doesn't even last for more than 5, 6 times or 7 times. And even after that, the quality of construction is still not good. So why don't we give them something which can do a better job for them as well, and give a better quality product also. And that's how we started with a plastic ply initially. In 2007, we launched a plastic ply. We got it into the market, tested it out. The results were very good. But what happened with that was, after 2, 3, 4 repetitions, it started warping. And then, we perplexed with the entire problem. Then we said, okay, let's make a frame, put it onto a frame, and then use it. We tried that. Then it was okay, but it became very heavy, and there was no proper locking system and stuff. That's when this whole system took birth. Then, because we were into plastics from the last, now it's been 45 years, our group is into plastics. So since we were into plastics, we used to make chairs at that time. So we said, why don't we make a mold and make a proper system? And then designed the entire thing, got the mold made. Then we put it on for patent. And the first trials we did was with L&T at Maruti's factory, and they gave us a go ahead that this product is good. and that's how the entire journey of getting this product into the market came. So that's how the entire journey of the plastic formwork coming in, and that's how we are different from the market, because generally you would have seen the formwork which is available more, the conventional is generally plywood or steel. Other than that, if you come to system formwork, then it's either steel with plywood combination, or you have aluminium, which is there, and in plastic we are the only ones who are there. So, and in the modularity, it's mainly plastic or aluminium only. So these are the only two main system formworks which are running today in the market.
So, from how long you are participating in, XCon only, and what are the changes you have seen in XCon, or how XCon is helping you to grow?
We've been participating in XCon for the last, I think this is our maybe the fourth time we are exhibiting here in XCon. What we've seen over the first and from the first time, definitely it's grown bigger and bigger. This time it's really huge compared to even last time. Last time there was a lot of issues of rains and mismanagement from the this thing, and very low footfall because of the rains also, as well as the mismanagement with the traffic and stuff. This time they've increased the day, so that I think is a disadvantage actually, because the crowd actually splits up.
Yeah.
So it becomes even more difficult for people to, so we feel that, there's hardly any crowd there. But how XCon has helped us is definitely visibility. We've gained visibility in terms of people who, since our product is new in the market, in terms of comparatively new, so people need a look and feel of the product to, understand the product. So that's how exhibitions do help us. So mainly two exhibitions are where we always participate as XCon and Bauma. So these are the two exhibitions which give us good visibility, and it gives us a chance to meet our own customers also, who are, at times there are we are speaking over phone and the deal is happening, but at here we get chance to meet them and speak to them, and they also come to know about our latest developments which are there in the market.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.